If you also feel that the zoom in your videos looks very boring, then this video is specially for you. I welcome you to the Guju Edition channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 plus zoom effects that will help make your videos go viral. I know you're excited, but for that you'll have to complete a target of 700 likes. So let's start the video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.